Right guys, I've got this left over from when I did the Maker Central plaque. This was the back piece I cut off of it. So what I want to do is, if you remember the Earlswood Platter I made, it was quite a bit bigger than this, but I want to do another one. The reason being is because I quite enjoyed doing it, and I had to go with the old texturing tool. And I've had a few people comment on how I can get better effects with the texturing tool. So what I want to do is I want to clean this face up, and then I want to have a bit of a play with the texturing tool to see if what people are telling me is true, and if it is, then we're going to get it some shape, flip it, and then we're going to make a mini Earlswood platter. So let's get this bad boy in the chuck and go from there. Right, so what I've done is I've just quickly flattened that out and just put these rings in, basically just to give me a bit of place in the go. So people have told me several different things, that I need to put it on longer, harder, quicker. So I'm just going to try and see what happens. Oh, I like that one. That's nice, that is. So, three different, I don't know if you can see, let's just zoom in a little bit. So I've done three different things. That was with the tool that way, that was with the tool that way, and then with this one I put the tool in virtually at a slight angle like that, and then brought it back to give me that step in, and then that one again started in the middle and just gently went around. Let's give me sort of 4 different effects. So if I just quickly sand those off, and then we'll see what they look like. So yeah, I've got 4 different effects there really, and to be honest, I like all of them. So again, it's just having a little bit of confidence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this round, shape the bowl, put a foot in with the bowl, and I might have a little bit of play on the back of that just to give it a bit of detail. So there's the bottom. Put these little rings in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some burn marks in there, just give it a bit of definition really. So we'll get the old faithful stir and stick out and give it some burns. Right, so we've got that in there. So I think what I'll do is I'll give it a coat of sand and sealer, just to seal it all up, and then we'll just gently sand it back, or scuff it up, or denib it, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll give it a coat of Yorkshire grit. I want it nice and shiny, so perhaps give it a couple of coats of sand and sealer and see how we go. That's cool. I like. Right. Oops. Let's get it flipped and do the inside. there we go. There's my mini Earlswood platter, all turned, all done. As you see, we put some black Hampshire sheen embellish and wax in the edge there just to lift the texture in, to give it a little bit of, I don't know if you pick it, yeah, you just pick it up, get a better, it sort of comes out a little bit rather than being the same colour as the wood. So no, I really enjoyed doing this. Like I said from the start, I didn't want to do it so it looked exactly the same as my other Earlswood platter. Obviously this is a lot smaller than the other one I did, but no, it's turned out really, really nice, and this wood is beautiful to turn. If someone can tell me what this wood is, I'll be very much appreciate it. Leave me a comment, tell me what it is, because there's several different timbers that look very similar to this, and I'm a little bit unsure which ones they are. So anybody knows, then please let me know. So anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed it. That's this week's project. We'll have a fresh new project for next week, so I want everybody to have a great weekend. Take care, speak to you soon, and bye for now.